Do you wish you could be the present mom you've always wanted to be, but still need to provide an income for your family? Are you tired of scouring the internet for legit jobs that will replace your income and that you can do from home in your PJs? Hey friend, welcome to the Virtual Assistant Mama podcast. I know you're over there Googling jobs for moms, legit work-at-home jobs, or start a side hustle, yet you can't figure out how to take that first step. So instead, you stay stuck, do nothing, or start random side hustles to try to make quick money. Becoming a virtual assistant is the answered prayer you've been waiting for. My name is Ariana, and I'm a former teacher turned work-at-home mom who replaced my teaching income as a virtual assistant in just 6 months. I did this by taking a step of faith and following the dream that God placed on my heart to be home with my babies. Mama, your dreams pale in comparison to God's dreams for you. Imagine offering services that light you up, working with clients who value you and pay you what you're worth, and having a job that works around your life and not the other way around. This is the podcast for you. It's time to take that first step. Are you ready? Here we go. Hey y'all, welcome back to the Virtual Assistant Mama podcast. In this episode, I want to share with you guys something that I wish everyone knew about becoming a virtual assistant. I think so many people still don't even know what a virtual assistant is, and they don't know that they could very easily become one. They just have to have that willingness to learn. And so that's kind of what I was going to mention with what I wish everyone knew about becoming a VA is that anybody can do this. You don't have to have prior experience. You don't have to have a degree. You don't have to take all these, certifications. The only things that you need to have in place are a willingness to learn new things and an ability to figure things out. If you have those two skills, then you can absolutely become a virtual assistant. I know we have a lot of teachers who listen to this show. If you're a teacher, I know you have a willingness to learn because you're teaching every day and you're learning new things that you can teach to your students. And I know that you have an ability to figure things out because when you're thrown a new lesson or a new program or whatever you're supposed to teach, you figure it out and you figure out how to teach it in the best way possible. And so you can absolutely apply that to your virtual assistant business and learning new skills, learning how to serve businesses to help them further their mission. As long as you believe in it, you're going to be willing to help them get it out to more people. And those businesses are going to be so down to hire you because they are down to hire anybody who just shows that they really care about their mission and they are just willing to do whatever it takes to learn how to help that business grow. So please remember that even if you feel like you don't have any experience, who would hire me? I'm just a newbie. Please do not feel that way because, like I said, all you need is that willingness to learn and the ability to figure things out. Now, if you want a roadmap to help you in your virtual assistant business to start figuring those things out, I would love to invite you to come and register for my free workshop at arianavernier.com/free-workshop, or you can find that link in the show notes. But in that workshop, I'm going to break down the 5 Ps that you need to know in order to become a successful virtual assistant. So it's going to give you a great launching point. Go register for that. Again, you can find that link in the show notes, and I can't wait to see you there. All right, y'all. Thank you so much for listening to this episode, and we will see you next time. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. I would love to bless you with a free gift as a thank you. All you have to do is leave a review of the show on Apple Podcasts, take a screenshot, and send it to podcast@virtualassistantmama.com. I'll send you a code so you can snag my virtual assistant toolkit for free. And don't forget to come hang out with us in our free community, facebook.com/groups/virtual assistant mama. I'm so honored to support you in your journey to becoming a virtual assistant. Until next week, y'all, keep following the dreams that were placed on your heart so you can be the present mama you've always wanted to be.